morning everyone. So today is my first day of internship and I'm just getting ready. Kabihis na din ako. Pero this is my coat. Susuot ko to later. Kakain muna kami and later na ako magme-makeup. So kakatapos lang namin kumain and it's already 6:16. Hindi ko pa napapalitan yung wallpaper ko. Schedule pa din ng school. I have here my moisturizer. Oh my gosh. Wala na siyang laman. I have of course my backup. Tatlo yan eh. So, let's use this one. Mahal kasi nung ano eh. Yung nasa tab. It's like 1,200. I wasn't able to get my nails done. So, it's fine. Siguro next week na lang. And then next, of course, my favorite. It's my sunscreen. So, I just bought my lip balm. It's from Human Nature. This is not sponsored. This is my first time trying this. So, this is rosewood. This is flame tree. So, do you see the difference? Medyo dark tong isa compared to this one. So, I'm gonna use the lighter one. I have my cracked lips. So, ito muna yung gagamitin ko for the meantime. Kasi may shade naman siya, so that's fine. I'm gonna have to put some pimple eraser. Hindi nyo lang kita, pero I have bumps. I have little bumps on my face. This is my favorite. It's from Maybelline. Next is my kilay. Wala na akong pang kilay. May product pa naman yan. So, magsistay pa yan hanggang mamaya. It'll stay intact. Nag-aahit lang ako ng kilay. Hindi ako nagpapat-thread kasi masakit. Pero, hindi ko pa naman din na-try. Pero I wanted to try it. Pero kasi, you know, to be practical, kung kaya ko naman, ayusin yung kilay ko. Why not? Ako na lang mag-ayos, diba? Ayan, ano lang, sweet girl lang. Sweet girl.
Short lang yung joiner lounge natin because we have a training later here in the afternoon sa learning room. So, practice lang yon. So, yung mga nalungkot kanina, pwede tayo tumayo. Okay na? Sige. Pwede po tayo dito. Yan. Sige. Sit down. Sige, good. Sit down if you like hot coffee more than iced coffee.
So ingat. So it's my day 2 for my internship. Maglalakad pa ako. So guys, I'm already here in Paseo de Rojas. I'm just going to, what do you call this? Walk underpass. Sana hindi ako maligaw. So now, what? Oh, there. Mali, I told you. Mali ako ng dinaanan. Ay, nako, nakakaloka. Ay, finally. Nahanap ko na after 4 tries. Medium na Spanish latte. Guys, ilang beses ako nagpabalik-balik sa elevator kasi magkaiba yung floors ng papuntang 29 ay magkaibang side. We're done! ng tax department. See you on Friday. Ay, oo. May ano, after ng meeting namin bukas, meron kaming meeting. Ay, after ng meeting namin para bukas. Tapos may meeting na kami. May meeting na kami. Wala pa daw nag-chat eh. So, kakatapos lang ng onboarding namin. Sasakay ako ng bus pa Buendia because uwi ako ng Nueva Ecija. Kaya naka-backpack ako. And then, babalik ako tomorrow because may pasok kami on Friday. We have an on-site pasok on Friday. And tomorrow, I won't be vlogging because yun, ibang work naman yun. Work naman yun sa province. Kuya, dito po yung tax ng PWC.
Oo. Kailangan nyo magmakit sa taas. Wala kayo sis.
So, I'm already here. Pero, kailangan ko muna pumunta ng 29th floor. Ay, ang haggard ko na. First day pa naman namin. Grabe, kailangan ko talagang... Ay, naiwan ko yung wallet ko. Buti na lang may laman yung Gcash ko. So, I'm going home now. Ay, hindi. Susunduin muna ako nila. And then, hintay ata kami ng GC. I don't know. Yeah. Actually, 6:30 pa ako susunduin. Pero, bababa na rin ako since it's 6 PM na. Guys, I'm still waiting here sa lobby ng building. Look at my eye bags. It's so dark. Diba ang ganda? Ganda ko. Di, ang ganda ng lobby. It's just so clean and so pretty. Haggard na kasi uwian na. So, hinihintay ko lang talaga sila. Susunduin nila ako here.